Congratulations on your new SolarEdge Smart EV Charger. In this video, we will walk through the simple DIY installation of your EV charger. Let's get started. In the kit, you will find the following: the SolarEdge Smart EV Charger, the wall mounting bracket, the cable lock for the charging cable, the EV charger cable, and the installation guide. For installation, you will also need to provide a pencil, a level, a screwdriver, a 3mm Allen key, a stud finder, a drill, 3 to 5 screws and 3 to 5 wall anchors, a smartphone for configuration, and a measuring tape. Before getting started with our installation, we must make sure that the electricity is turned off. First, we need to mark the position of the Smart EV Charger in relation to the 240-volt wall outlet we are planning to use. Temporarily plug in your charger and hold it against the wall, marking the top with a pencil. Now unplug and let's find our stud. Glide across the wall until your stud finder alerts you of your stud location. Place a pencil mark on that location to signify where we will be positioning our bracket. Let's now get our Smart EV Charger ready to mount by taking off the front cover. Using your 3mm Allen key, loosen the 2 bolts underneath the EV charger and lift the cover off. Our EV charger is ready to go on the wall, so now it's time to mount our bracket. Remember that mark we made on the wall to signify the top of our EV charger? Let's use that as a reference for where our bracket will need to start. The top of the bracket will need to sit 3/4 of an inch below the top of the Smart EV charger. Place a mark as a guide for the top of the bracket. Position your bracket onto the wall using your level, ensuring the bracket is sitting evenly. After confirmed, mark each hole location and drill into each of those holes. Depending on where your stud is on the wall, some of these holes will need wall mounts. Place the wall mounts into the appropriate locations before mounting your bracket. Next, place your bracket onto the wall and tighten all screws into the holes using your screwdriver. Now slide your EV charger onto the bracket and secure the bolt at the bottom using your 3mm Allen key. With the charger mounted, we need to connect our cable. Align the arrows on the cable connector to the white dot at the bottom of the connector on the Smart EV Charger. Plug the cable into the cable connector and rotate that cable connector clockwise to fasten it. Use the provided locking ring to secure the connection. Mount the front cover onto the Smart EV Charger and secure the 2 bolts at the bottom of the cover. Loop the Smart EV Charger cable around the Smart EV Charger. Now that we are installed, let's turn the electricity back on in the house. Lastly, insert the plug into the outlet. You will see the charger's LED indicators light up. And you're all set. You are now ready to charge. Please watch how to configure your new Smart EV Charger using the My SolarEdge application, which can be found in both the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.